Hey, what's going on? It's me again. So we finished the front bumper for a 2025 Camry. This car is like a not brand new, but it has like a 15,000 miles on. Okay, so remember the big crack that this bumper has before? Or show up before, now disappear. Now there's no crack. Looks good. The bumper is looking good. So hope everything is quite good. So better than before. However, this repair is been good, is pretty decent, and if she has a little dent of some like heat, if she drives this car, wherever she drives, it's just the owner of the vehicle, and our job is done. Is good. It's looking pretty good. Better than before, much better than before. It's a white color, yes, it's a white color, but it's well done. It's no more a broken corners or pieces. So anyways, thank you very much for watch, and I hope everything looks good and ready for this coming Monday to deliver this car. And yeah, make sure stay tuned for the next one, and I hope everything looks good for you guys, and take care, be happy. Yeah, you know, we try to fix things, you know, not in one way start complaining, oh, you required to replace. No, some cases we have to do some work, because we are here, you know, to repair vehicles and not just change parts. Sometimes does, but sometimes, you know, it's a challenge. Every time that we have something broken, it's a challenge. But I think this time we are doing good. Yeah, it's not broken anymore. So now it's pretty good. It's in good, decent shape. This paint code is 040, white, pure white, solid, not metallic or pearl. But anyways, thank you very much for watching. Stay tuned for the next challenge and repair. Thank you very much, and bye-bye.